Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about the super exciting topic of how to change your canvas size of an image in Photoshop. Alright, let's get started. Alright, we're going to resize the canvas in Photoshop. So one way you can do that is to go up to Image, then go to Canvas Size and just click on it. Alright, another way would be just to click on Alt or Option, Command and C, and it tells you that right here. Okay, so if we do that, and now what we're going to do to change the canvas size, we're going to leave this alone, but let's say we wanted a border all around this image. We're going to click that relative tool, alright, and then we're going to add, let's say we want a 5-inch border all around, alright, and we're going to leave it on white. And there we go. We click that relative so it makes it even all the way around. All right, there we go. And let's go back again. Alt Option C. Let's say we wanted to do. I'm gonna leave it in pixels again. You see the pixels right here. All right. Let's say we wanted to just add it to the right side. All right. Let's say we wanted to add a canvas right here. Let's say we wanted to make it gray. All right. I don't know why gray, but I'm just gonna make it gray. All right, and then we're going to click left. Now you see how there's an empty space here? That's where the canvas is gonna be. So let me move this. So whenever you have, wherever the empty space is, that's where it's gonna add the canvas, okay? So I'm gonna say, and we wanna just add for the width. We don't wanna add it on top or the bottom. We just want to add it for the width, so that's why we're going to click on width. We'll press 10. All right, 10%. Say make it 10%. All right, there we go. Maybe that wasn't big enough because I want to write something in here. So let's go back. We can just go back and we can do it again. Click over here, make sure that the empty space is there. And let's say instead of 10, let's say 100%. Okay. Now we have all this space here, so then I could just write whatever I want. Business. Alright, whatever I want. Alright, and I can just write that in, and now I have monkey business. One last thing I want to show you. If you go into the canvas resize and you click the without the relative button, let's say we want to add some space on both sides, all right, and let's say we want to just make it white. All right, if I press 55 here without the relative checked, it would just be kind of an even, it would be total 55 all around, right? But if I click the relative and added 55, it would be much bigger. It would be like 55 here, this total thing, and then 55 on this side too. So that's kind of the difference. And that's how you resize a canvas in Photoshop. I hope that tutorial was helpful. If it was, press that like button. Also add a comment below with anything you'd like to make a video about. And before you go, press that subscribe button so you get more of my videos. And I made a free gear guide with all my favorite gear. You can download that here. And you see more of my videos right over here. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.